Everyone. I decided to have a late winter outdoor barbecue and invited some friends over. So today I have the barbecue pit ready. I decided to put hardwood in there. You don't want to use softwood like pine because it has resin in it and actually will impart bad flavors into the food you're cooking. So I'm going to get this lighted and it's going to take a little while and then I'm going to cook some food.
Yeah, you mess around, you get hit with a spatula. Burn my face off. Okay, need the corn, need the corn.
Hi everyone. So I have the chicken on and a burger for Haley. So I used all 8 flavors of my spice blend on there. The Italian, the sweet heat, the smokehouse barbecue, the citrus pepper, the sweet and smoky, Italian. So all 8 of them. And then in the middle here, I used a Steakhouse Blend with some sweet corn, some green peppers that I grew out in the garden last year with some onions. So that'll be nice and good. And then over here, I did some baked potatoes on the grill. So I put them over here and they're done. So what I use is actually a lid, so it actually acts like an oven. So that works really well. So I'm going to flip them over and finish cooking, and then we're going to sit down and eat. So hope you enjoy. How is everything? Thank you very much.